Hi. In this session, we are mainly going to focus on installation of packages into our Jupyter environment. And we are going to make use of Conda, or if we face some challenges in terms of the Conda, we are going to make use of the PIP. So we are going to check to see the packages that are installed in a certain given environment. And then if we feel that we need to install additional packages, then we are going to install them. So let's take a dive into that and see what we can do. So again, we are going to launch our Anaconda prompt. And as you can see from the Anaconda prompt that we are working from the base environment. And as we did in the previous sessions, we saw that we can always check to see the environments that are available in our Anaconda by Conda environment list. Press enter, and those are the different environments that are created in our Anaconda, the base, the CAD project, the demo, the ML, machine learning, and the notebook demo. So suppose we then want to look into the packages that are installed, let's say in demo. We can then go on to say Conda list name demo. So those will be the packages that are installed inside our demo environment. So as you can see, it goes on to tell us packages in environment that are stored in this file location and inside the demo, which is the folder for our environment. And then it goes on to give us the name and the version and the build for that package that is installed. So again, the command there is Conda list. That is to list all the packages, and because we are in best environment there, and we would want to look into packages that are in outside the best environment, then we specify the -n, which stands for the name. So we are then commanding Anaconda to look for a name called demo and list those values. So if we are going to work through the packages installed, let's just check to see if we have got any package like the scientific Python. Let's see. So we are looking at the packages that start with an S to see if we've got anything like SciencePy. As you can see there's nothing like SciencePy. So now let's try to install the package. But remember, we are in base environment, and we would want to install in a package outside or in a different environment. So to do that, we are going to make use of the command Conda install. And because we are installing outside of in a different folder or different environment, then we are going to specify that we need to call a name, and the name of that is demo. So we are commanding the installation to be done inside the environment demo, and then we specify the name of the package that we would want to install. So we're going to call the scientific Python package. Press enter. and then it goes gathers all the dependence files that are going to come through or to be installed while we install the scientific Python package. And so we have to agree with that by proceeding with an Y for yes, and then start downloading the package. So make sure that while you're doing this, you have got a stable internet, and depending on how fast your internet is, it might take some time. So we wait for it. As soon as it is done installation, then it will let us know that it has installed the packages. Okay, so it's done. So we can now go into, or we can use the same command that we were using before. So I'm pressing the up arrow on my keyboard to access the previous commands that I've already run in this session. So the Conda list name demo to list all the packages that are installed inside the demo environment. Press enter. So it has listed all the files. Let's go and check if we now have the scientific Python. So here you can see that we now have the package that has been installed, which was not previously there. That's how you would want to install a package outside of the base environment that you are in. So let's say, suppose we want then to go into that specific environment, Conda activate, and then we call in demo. Now we have moved or shifted from being in the base default environment, and now we are in demo. And when we are in demo, we can always say Conda list. So there's no need for us now to specify the name, because we are calling the command inside the demo, meaning to say whatever is going to be listed is going to be from the demo environment. So press enter. And again, if we're going to scroll, you will see that we have our package already installed. And suppose we wanted to install another package. So we say again, Conda install. Now, this time, because we are already in demo in our environment, we are not going to call in the name. We are just going to specify the name of the package that we think we would want to install. So let's try Neural Prophet. So give it some time to locate the package. In any case, if we have misspelled the package, it will not. It's going to give us an error. So different packages are usable to handle and to handle different tasks that you would want to do. You will find that some packages are able to do common tasks, and we have some other packages that are specifically designed for specific computations, like the science Python package, which is specifically for scientific computations. So as you can see there, our first attempt there, looks like it's failing to get the package. Okay, we have got an error, just like I was saying. So basically, specification, neural prophet, and Python version. Those are the Pythons that are available, and mine is a Python version 3.12, meaning to say the available packages there require a lesser version of a Python. That is the reason why it failed to install. So these are the some of the errors that you come across when you are doing your installation, and also the reason why I recommend that you try to work outside of the base environment, and for each given project that you're going to work in, try to create a different environment, because sometimes when these errors happen, they then corrupt and makes the other previous package that were already installed to misbehave or misfunction. So it is important that you always work inside a new environment all the time. So let's try to do install, let's say Seaborn. Seaborn is for visualization. It is based on a default package that comes through, which is matplotlib. So those are the dependence file that is going to be called, or at least it's tried to install. So we are going to accept, and it's going to install those dependence files. It is completed, and basically that's how you are going to install packages and to view packages that are already installed in your environment. That wraps up what the objective of this session. See you in the next video clip. Thank you.